Setting up Google Shopping and ShopWired can be a great way to get your products in front of more customers. But if you're wondering how to do it quickly and efficiently, you're in the right place. In this video, we'll break down the exact steps to integrate Google Shopping with ShopWired, plus some tips and tricks to make sure you're getting the most out of the process. Stick around till the end for a better solution that might just be the game changer you're looking for. First, let's talk about what you'll need to get started. You'll need a Google Merchant Center account and, of course, a ShopWired store. If you don't already have these set up, take a few minutes to create them. You'll also want to ensure that your products meet Google's feed requirements to avoid any errors down the line. Once you're ready, the first step in setting up Google Shopping and ShopWired is linking your Google Merchant Center to ShopWired. Head to your ShopWired dashboard, go to Settings, and find the Google Shopping section. Here, you'll input your Google Merchant Center credentials. This will allow ShopWired to pull product data directly from your store and upload it to Google. Next thing, product feed setup. After linking your Google Merchant Center, you'll need to set up your product feed. This is where ShopWired generates a feed of all the products in your store to be uploaded to Google. You'll configure your product feed within the ShopWired platform, making sure your product categories and details are accurate and follow Google specifications. Be mindful of things like product titles, descriptions, and images. Google has strict guidelines to ensure your products are shown correctly. After that, let's talk about syncing your product feed with Google Merchant Center. Once your feed is set up, go back to your Google Merchant Center and schedule automatic feed uploads from ShopWired. You can set this up to happen daily, so you're always in sync with Google's platform. This is crucial to avoid any product listing issues or delays. The fourth thing, Google Ads campaign setup. After syncing your products, it's time to get your ads up and running. You'll need to connect your Google Ads account to your Google Merchant Center to launch shopping campaigns. If you don't have a Google Ads account, you'll be prompted to create one. Once everything is connected, you'll set up your shopping campaign based on your goals and target audience. Now, let's talk about optimization. Setting up your Google Shopping campaign is just the start. You'll want to continually monitor and tweak your campaigns for better performance. This means adjusting your bidding strategy, checking analytics to see how your ads are performing, and optimizing your product titles and descriptions based on search terms. Lastly, keep in mind that ShopWired, while solid, isn't the only solution for integrating Google Shopping. You might run into some limitations with product data, feed management, and advanced ad features that could hinder your campaigns. So, if you're looking for something that gives you more flexibility and control, stick around till the end because I'll introduce a better alternative. Now, before we wrap up, here's the exclusive offer I mentioned earlier. Through our link, you'll get access to an extended free trial of ShopWired, which you can use to test out all the Google Shopping integration features. Plus, I've got some amazing alternatives that might be a better fit for the goal of this video, getting your products in front of more customers and optimizing your campaigns for success. These alternatives also come with a free trial, and through our link, you'll get exclusive benefits available only to our viewers. So, check out the link in the description for your free trial and start optimizing your store for Google Shopping today. You won't want to miss this.